Hello children. Let us discuss about subtraction of rational numbers. So, the first example. Find out minus 3 by 10 minus 8 by 10. Minus 3 by 10, we have to subtract 8 by 10 from that. What could be the answer for this? The denominator of the difference of two rational numbers with the same denominator is same as the common denominator of the given rational numbers. So in both we can find that 10 is the common denominator. So in the difference also 10 only will be the denominator. Now the numerators must be subtracted as how we have done in addition. We have added the numerators, no? Now we have to subtract them. So minus 3 minus 8 by 10, which is minus 11 by 10. Minus 3 minus 8, both are negative integers, so we have to add them and the answer would be a negative integer. So the difference between minus 3 by 10 and 8 by 10 is minus 11 by 10. Minus 11 by 10 is also a negative rational number. Find 3 by 4 minus 4 by 5. To subtract the rational numbers with different denominators, we must convert them into equivalent rational numbers having the same denominator. Like how we have done in addition, that is nothing but taking LCM of the two given denominators. So 3 by 4 minus 4 by 5, the denominators are 4 and 5. So we need to find out the LCM of 4 and 5, which is nothing but their product, that is 20. So let us convert 3 by 4 and 4 by 5 with equivalent rational numbers with the denominator 20. So 3 by 4 can be written as 3 into 5 by 4 into 5, 15 by 20. And 4 by 5 can be written as 4 into 4 by 5 into 4, which is nothing but 16 by 20. Now let us rewrite the given question with the equivalent numbers, rational numbers of the given rational numbers. So 3 by 4 minus 4 by 5 can be written as equivalent rational number of 3 by 4 is 15 by 20 minus equivalent rational number of 4 by 5 is 16 by 20. So 15 by 20 minus 16 by 20. In both we can see that 20 is the common denominator. So 15 minus 16 by 20, which is minus 1 by 20. So the difference between 3 by 4 and 4 by 5 is minus 1 by 20. Let us recap what we have learnt in this one. The denominator of the difference of two rational numbers with same denominator is same as the common denominator of the given numbers. This applies for like rational numbers. To subtract rational numbers with different denominators, we first convert them into equivalent rational numbers having same denominator. It's nothing but finding LCM. Thank you.